Hello, everyone. In the last few months, we've seen a spike in cabin air quality issues on our Airbus airplanes. I know you're concerned about it, and we are as well. I've asked leaders in our maintenance and engineering division, flight operations, in-flight, and safety to take specific and immediate action. Here's what we're going to do in the next 48 hours. You will be receiving by email a fact sheet that will show 24 months of cabin air quality issues on our Airbus airplanes and the root cause issues. Next, we're going to organize 3 conference calls on Wednesday and Thursday. On this call, we're going to share in detail our plan to get to the root cause and fix these air quality issues. Of course, we also want to hear from you, any questions you may have, so we can answer them to your satisfaction. Last thing I want to say is that I have total confidence in our maintenance and engineering team. These are a great group of professionals who are only motivated to give you the best and safest airplanes. Thank you so much. I hope to hear you on the call, and I hope you're having a great summer. See you soon.